Hello people, I would like to show you that I got 28 views on my second burping video in less than, I can't remember, no, I don't want to go on that YouTube, because it's so, um, so, yeah, yeah, 28 views in sorry for time. No, not from hold on, I think I need to go on YouTube. Yeah, in 17 hours ago, I uploaded that video, and I had 28 views. Fuck me, my god. So that's why I'm going to do more burping videos to get more views, more subscribers. So yeah, I'll probably do more burping videos, which I'm so shocked that I got 28 views on my second burping video in less than 17 hours ago. What the hell? Fuck me. So thank you for watching my second burping videos. Second burping video. Because that video is most popular video I got on YouTube. You know, so happy. Yeah. Biggest love for content. Oh, 2011. I'll put it with the main second burping video. So yeah, what's next? So anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that and show you that got suicide views on my second birthing video. Yeah, and I know what, on my old channel, the video I got on this one, I'll show you. Well, actually, I need to go on YouTube first. It's up more night. And can you guess how many views I got on that video on my old channel? You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. Yeah, this is my old YouTube channel. And I got 276 subscribers, which is fucking good. But I don't use this channel because um, my password and my email address for it. This is sorry. Can't remember too much. Where is it? Oh yeah, let's 6 likes, 3 dislikes, yeah, and 1,823 views in, in 5 years ago. Yeah, so, you know, anyway, I just thought to show you how many views I got on my second burping video. This is good, got 28 views. So thank you again for watching my second burping video. It's not like so far, just views so far. So yeah, anyway, I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will give you a shout out if you subscribe me. Okay, so yeah, bye people, have a nice day wherever you are. Bye.